In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with PageFly, an app for building beautiful web pages effortlessly. Imagine having complete freedom to design stunning pages for your website without touching a single line of code. Sounds exciting, right? Well, I'm here to guide you through the initial steps to get PageFly up and running on your platform so you can start creating those amazing designs in no time. First things first, make sure you're on your home page where you have easy access to all your apps. Now, direct your attention to the app section. You'll want to locate the search bar and type in PageFly. This is a powerful tool that will become your go-to for seamless page design. Once you've located it, click on it to proceed with the installation. You'll notice that after initiating the installation, the app will prompt you to confirm your decision to install it again. This step ensures that you really want to add PageFly to your suite of tools. So just go ahead and click install one more time. It's always reassuring to have that double check, right? Once you've successfully installed PageFly, you'll find yourself on the dashboard ready to dive in. Now, you have two options to start crafting your page. You can either click on Create Blank Page if you're feeling creative and want a fresh start, or you can choose Create Template to give yourself a helping hand with a pre-designed layout. For this video, we'll go with selecting Create Template, as it often provides a nice balance between structure and creativity, making it perfect for beginners. At this point, you'll need to select Product to guide the focus of your page, which will help tailor the existing templates to suit your needs. By doing this, you're setting the stage for an array of customizable elements that will really make your products shine. Now comes the fun part, exploration. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the various features that PageFly has to offer. It boasts an array of tools designed to help you create vibrant, engaging pages. As you explore, don't hesitate to try out different components, layouts, and styles. The more you experiment, the more comfortable you'll become. Remember, creativity comes from playing around with possibilities and seeing what works best for your brand. A crucial step in this process is to save your progress. Yes, it can be easy to get carried away with all the creative possibilities, but always remember to save your work periodically. This ensures that none of your hard work, and trust me, it will be beautiful, gets lost along the way. At this point, you'll have a page that's both functional and eye-catching, ready to go live whenever you're satisfied with the final design. And there you have it. While this is just a glimpse into what PageFly can do, taking these initial steps will set up a solid foundation for crafting stunning web pages. Enjoy the creative process, and don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks to enhance your web page design. Thanks for tuning in today.